Look what my husband just did. Look, what did you just do?
Built us a planter box for our
You see all these?
vegetable
Look,
garden.
look at these.
I know it. Those are ready to pick on.
Look, that cute. Anyway, we went and got this. Rhonda from At Home with Tom and Rhonda, she has a greenhouse and she's always planting stuff. And I'm like, aw, I want a greenhouse. So we had this old stand here, and we thought maybe if we put some sides on it that we can make a planter box, because they're really growing really good here. So Randy put his magic to work and built us a little heavy-duty planter box, right?
Right.
And with the scrap wood that we had from the shutters, so it made a pretty cool little thing. But isn't that going to be awesome? Look at that. See there? Yes. I think that will look so cool. You gotta put the potting soil in, huh?
Look at this. This is how much it rained last night.
That's how much it rained? Not a lot. And he put this little, what is this at the bottom? It's weed control, but we know weed's not going to come through here. You just thought it would help the water.
Keep the dirt in.
This is so cool. I'm so happy about
I
this.
think I want to flip it around though,
Why?
because this corner's not really.
Oh, babe, it's fine. Look, it doesn't have to be flush. It's fine. It's going to be a planter box. It's not going to be somebody's.
No, I'm not talking about being flush. I'm talking about this one right here is kind of angled up.
It's fine.
Okay.
Do we need to stain it? Or spray a sealer on it or something?
Not if we want it to get weathered like that.
Okay. Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
Now we gotta go get some more food. This might be the only food we get to eat. It's vegetables from the garden. Is that made from cow manure? Yes, it is. Is it?
Where do you see cow manure on there anyway?
I always thought it was.
Made from compost.
It don't smell like it is. I don't see where it says. Grows bigger, more beautiful plants.
Let's hope so.
I don't see ingredients. Oh, here's some. I can't read it. Okay. That's so cool. Now we just got to move this. See, this is why I didn't want this patio cover, the fire pit over here. See all this? Which we got to use some Roundup to get it, but all this grass grows in this asphalt, and I hate it. But this is the citronella and the lemongrass, and it's really growing good. But I don't know, the Boston ferns, they're still good, but I think the heat as it gets hotter is going to burn those. So we're going to move it over there, and it looks pretty cool. It rained, so we hadn't been able to get it all done. Anybody want a trailer? It's for sale. Make me an offer. It's enclosed. It's a 4x6. Be great for you two meetups. Put all your stuff in it. But right here, it sort of looks like it's sunken inside there. So, but we're going to put the mulch and everything. We got the rubber mulch. We're going to put that in there. We're going to put the weed cloth down with the little like I said, the mulch, the rubber mulch, put the fire pit in the middle, put the lights and stuff. I think the plants will be happier over here. And then we got the rubber mats we're going to put behind there, and then put the table and stuff. And then, I'm excited about this. I hope it works, but who knows. I want to try to level this area right here, and I want to pull, above ground pool right here. This is probably the most level place unless you go over there. And Randy said that's too far from the house. So right here will be the happening place. So back over here to the garden center. But yeah, see how sunny that is? I think that will look so much prettier over there. Three bags? You think that'll be enough?
I don't know.
I do.
I think we need one more.
Seriously?
Yeah. Yeah, we need one more. Because it's going to settle once we water it.
You have another one?
Yep.
Look at that little bird. Since Randy's retired, he loves to sit out here and watch the birds. He loves his little bird feeders and hummingbirds. I'll show you those. They eat a lot, though. And it's not the squirrels, it's the birds. They eat a lot. That's one he got. Little hummingbird feeder. This is the newest one he got. He had another one, but it was made out of plastic. I guess they just eat through the plastic, so he got a metal one. It's cute. Cute. Is that better?
I think so.
Are you going to keep the little name tags so we know what it is?
Yeah. All right, let's space these out how we want them.
Well, you want the big one?
No, those are going to go in their own planter box.
Oh, I thought you were going to put it all in one.
Give me all the peppers.
I don't know what pepper is.
That's a bell. That needs to go down here.
Here's one. That one's awesome.
Bananarama.
That one's doing great.
Jalapenos.
Look at that one right there. Pretty.
Those are jalapenos.
What is this? This one looks a little yellow. Cucumber. You don't look that healthy. This one does.
That's strawberry.
Strawberry.
Okay, so now we don't want strawberries in with the peppers.
Strawberry, watermelon. What's this?
Tomato.
Tomato?
Yeah, we'll put the tomatoes in the middle.
And the cucumber?
Nope. Cucumbers go in the pot.
Watermelon goes in a pot?
Yep.
What about strawberries?
Yep.
That goes in a pot?
Yep.
So all those are going to go in its own little individual pot.
That tomato right there.
I thought you wanted tomato in its own pot.
Well, we didn't get enough pots, so I'll just put them in here with the peppers. It'll be all right.
How many pots did you get?
3.
It can grow on that brick. Probably need to get a tomato vine. Stick right there.
A cage, you mean?
Yeah, tomato cage. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Look how pretty they are.
I'm going to switch these.
Huh?
I'm going to swap these. Okay.
Okay, everyone. Please like and subscribe. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think of our little garden and all that good stuff. All right, y'all. Thanks.